What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be one of those videos where I spit some truth to you guys, and it might not be something you necessarily agree with. However, I've made this channel with the objective of always being open and honest and transparent. That means I'm going to give you the good, the bad and the ugly. And if you're looking for a channel that is always just sunshine and rainbows, maybe this video is not for you and you can click away. However, if you do choose to watch it, it just might change your life. It certainly did for me. So let's get into it. You see, I created this YouTube channel to give back to the community because I found YouTube so valuable when I was first starting out. I used to look to YouTube for tutorials, motivation, marketing knowledge, all those pieces I needed to use to create a business. And that's also what I'm doing. You see, I don't get paid for this. I don't get paid to make these videos. It's just something I enjoy, and yeah, it's my way of giving back. So a lot of you guys have been messaging me, asking me to kind of mentor you. And I just want to be clear that at the moment, my plate is really full and I don't have time to mentor anybody. I have so many people I need to report back to every day. Yeah, I'm absolutely swamped. And in an ideal world, yeah, I would love to help personally mentor as many people as possible. But to be honest, I don't feel like a mentor. I don't feel like I've made it or arrived. I still have so many mountains to climb myself, and all this channel is about is me documenting my experience and sharing it with you, exactly what I do on a daily basis and monthly basis to get the results that I get. And that doesn't mean I'm a guru or a mentor or anything like that. There's two types of people in this world, and whether you one or the other will pretty much determine if you achieve any sort of success in any of your endeavors, whether it be business, relationships, whatever. You see, let me give you an example. If I invite two people to a party or an event and I give them the address and I say, okay, here's the address, here's the time you need to be there. One person's gonna say, sure, see you there. And as true as Bob, he's there on time at the place at the exact address. The other person is going to call you 10 minutes late and he's going to ask you, how do you get there? What are the directions? What's the easiest way to get there? And you know, that's a metaphor for life in general. You see, the first person used his initiative and he found his own way there. The second person needed to be spoon-fed everything and sort of had like an entitlement that everyone's gonna rush around them and help them get to that party. You see, life isn't like that. If you want to be an entrepreneur, you're going to be facing problems every damn day, and you can't just be okay at solving problems. You actually have to enjoy it. You see, your mind is like a muscle, and the more times you work your muscle and you solve problems on a daily basis, the stronger you get. And this is an incredible skill to have when it comes to entrepreneurship. You need to be able to solve problems on your own. You can't expect people to, metaphorically speaking, hold your dick while you're taking a piss. You know, no one's going to do that. And if you expect things to be like that, I'm sorry, you're in for a rude wake-up call, because that's not reality. No one, when I started my business, no one was there to hold my hand and walk me through everything. I had to watch different people and then take nuggets and pieces of the puzzle from this person, from that person, and I had to use my own initiative and put them together, and that led me on the path I'm now. You see, it developed my problem solving mindset, and that's what you really need if you want to see any sort of success, not just in game development but any business. or even in any aspect of your life. So what I'm getting at in this video is that initiative is highly underrated, because we've always been taught that there's a blueprint, we have to follow step by step, and if one of those steps are missing, then we don't know what to do. It's like our mind can't bridge that gap and solve that problem. But what I'm telling you is that you need to develop that part in yourself, and you need to use your initiative to solve problems. And I promise you, it will change your life for the better. You'll find that problems that you thought were really tough actually start to get easier, because you're developing that muscle, your brain, your mind, which is the most important thing. So as much as I want to give back to the community, I can't be a mentor for everyone. And I'm telling you now, if you just watch every video that I've made and you use your own initiative and your problem solving process, you will get a similar success to what I'm doing right now. So yeah, there's no key to success. You just have to believe in yourself, and like I said, use your initiative. That's all you need to do, and the results will come. So yeah, it's a deep video today, but I feel that it's just as important, if not more important, than the technical stuff that I show you. So your mindset stuff is way more important, because it determines a lot of factors, and it determines whether you give up or whether you can solve problems, and all these different things. So yeah, it's just something that you need to be aware of and work on, because it's a process. It's not going to happen overnight. You know, if you go to the gym, you don't see results the next day. It takes months, if not years, of grind and dedication. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content. Like I said, I always give you the good, the bad, the ugly. I always want to be honest and transparent, and yeah, this is what has helped me tremendously, learning these lessons. Yeah, it has changed my life dramatically. So, and I hope it continues to change my life for the better. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, you know the drill, smash that like button, subscribe if you like this type of content. It's not always going to be this mindset stuff, but I feel like it's really important, and yeah, a lot of people don't get that. So yeah, if you did, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Stay safe and peace out.